Hey friends, greetings! In this video, you'll discover the answer to the question of why cucumbers are not growing and the necessary steps to ensure their quick growth. If after planting cucumbers in open ground or in a greenhouse, you observe that the cucumbers have been in place for a considerable amount of time, there is a lack of vigorous growth and their leaves are small, the primary reason, particularly in spring, could be insufficiently high night temperatures. Specifically, when we have around 25 degrees Celsius during the day and at night the temperature drops below 15 degrees Celsius, cucumbers grow very slowly under such conditions. And here fertilizers won't help. You'll have to wait until the nighttime temperature rises above 15 degrees Celsius. But if the temperature is normal and they still don't grow, then the following steps need to be taken. Specifically, in the first 3 internodes, these cucumbers here, and if there are suckers growing nearby, we also remove them. As you can see, nothing is remaining in the 3 internodes. What will this provide us with? When a cucumber plant is still so small but already has cucumbers on it, the plant will allocate all of its life forces. When growing cucumbers, the focus should be on the harvest, not on growing upwards. By removing cucumbers in 3 internodes, while the plant is still small and weak, we redirect the plant's vitality towards top growth, enabling it to grow faster and stronger upwards. This way, the plant will become larger, stronger, and in the subsequent internodes, we leave all the cucumbers because the plant will already be strong, but we continue to remove suckers. If your plants are planted, like mine, with a spacing of 50 centimeters apart from each other, and if you leave the suckers, your plant will become excessively overgrown and rapidly get sick. And I cultivate hybrid cucumbers labeled F1. They exclusively produce female flowers. That is the reason why I always harvest. However, if you planted varietal cucumbers that initially only form male flowers on the central stem, then the central stem will need to be pruned a meter from the ground, thus allowing suckers to grow. Consequently, only female flowers will develop on the suckers, from which your harvest will come into fruition. But it's better not to grow varietal varieties in the greenhouse because the yield will be very low. Also, the reason could be insufficient nutrition, so you need to feed your plants with nitrogen. And in the event that you are providing them with nitrogen and they continue to not grow, then make certain to fertilize the cucumbers with an infusion of yeast. In the next video, I will show how to prepare it. It is the best growth stimulant, after which cucumbers will start growing very quickly. But there are nuances, so subscribe to my channel, don't miss the release of this video. And the last reason why cucumbers are not growing is incorrect watering. Cucumbers really love watering. Watering should be done daily, ensuring a minimum of 2 liters of water per bush. It is recommended to do this in the evening and make sure to use warm water for watering the plants. If cucumbers are watered with cold water, they will also not grow, and in the worst case scenario, the roots may become infected with root rot, and the plant will perish. So friends, do everything as I demonstrated and informed you, and your cucumbers will be in good condition. They will start growing quickly and will give you an early, tasty, and abundant harvest. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and don't miss the release of new videos. I wish you bountiful harvests and see you in the next video.